So since I swapped this from an auto to a manual, this car does not have a tach in the cluster. So just for right now, until I get a new cluster, I'm putting this Sunpro. I picked this up on Craigslist a few years ago. Didn't really have a need for it, but it was a good deal and I figured I could put it to use at some point. So I'm gonna go a little bit ricer here and kind of just zip tie that to the steering column. I've got the signal wire fed through. I think that's the cruise control hole on the firewall. I'm just going to tap into the tach signal wire over here. It's a blue wire. This had like a rubber seal over the end of it, covered, and it was taped up against this harness here. So I'll tap into that for right now. I'm just going to use this. This had two prongs on it, and I clipped one of them off, so it'll lock into there, and I'll tape it up for right now. I'm going to the junkyard tomorrow, and hoping I can find a cluster with a tach in it to swap into this car, because I prefer to not keep this tach in here. Gets the job done though, and I mean I can drive it by ear, but kind of just like to have that reference with the tach. Couple key ingredients for the ricer setup: zip ties and electrical tape. Got the sensor wire plugged in there. I'm going to tape that up. Just zip tie this out of the way and move to the interior and tie some more stuff up, wire in the power and ground, and that should be good to go. And it's, you know, it's not a very big tach, so it's not full ricer. Maybe I should mount it outside on the hood. Go old school. Got it all wired up. Just use some shitty crimp connectors. Testing. Oh, it's working. It's working. It's a little slow, but it works. That'll do for now.